Assalamu alaikum guys. Today our basic topic is pandas tutorial. अगर किसी बंदे को नहीं पता कि pandas tutorial क्या है तो आज की वीडियो उसके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेटिव होने वाली है, क्योंकि आज की इस वीडियो में मैंने आप लोगों को बेसिकली यही बताना है कि pandas tutorial है क्या, इसके सेशंस कितने कितने हैं, इसको हमने कितना वर्क कर सकते हैं, pandas का कंप्यूटर साइंस में क्या रोल है, इसके अलावा भी हम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन इसमें गेट करेंगे। तो चलें आज का हम अपना लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं विदाउट एनी वेस्टिंग ऑफ टाइम। लेकिन लेक्चर स्टार्ट होने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को एक बात बता दूं कि भाई अगर आप लोग मेरे चैनल पे न्यू हैं तो काइंडली यार आप लोग मेरे चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कर दें, वीडियो को भी लाइक एंड शेयर कर दें, क्योंकि बिकॉज अगर आप लोगों को नॉलेज मेरा अच्छा लग रहा है तो मैं आपको यही एडवाइस करूँगी कि आप लोग भी मेरा नॉलेज आगे से आगे तक पहुँचाएँ। ठीक है जी, फिर हम अपना लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं। pandas ट्यूटोरियल इज अ पावरफुल डाटा मैनिपुलेशन and analyzing laboratory for Python. It provides data structure like series and data forms to effectively easy clean, transform and analyze large data sets and integrates seamlessly with other Python libraries such as py, and it offers powerful functions for data transformation, aggregations and visualizations, which are critically for effective analysis. Pandas revolves around two primary data structures, series 1D for a single column and data form 2D are data enabling efficiency for data manipulation. Section 1, installing and improving pandas. To install pandas, just type pip install pand. To use pandas in a code, import it with section 2, creating data form. Data form is a two-dimensional tables like data structure with labels, row and columns, where each column can have a different data type. It can be created from Python data structure like list, descriptions, or list of directions. In the example, a dictionary names data is created with keys representation column name, age and value as list containing the respectively data. pd.dataForm function is the used to convert that this dictionary is into data frame, which is stored the variable df. Series in pandas is one-dimensional label array capable of holding of data type, integrates string, float, etc. Each element is associated with index, either default or custom label. It can be created from list, number, pay, arrays, directions, or scale value. Section 3, reading CSV files. CSV common separated value files are a common format for sorting large datasets in explain in the text. The pandas library in Python provide the load these files into a data form. For our example, we will discuss people.csv file. Note: with this line, pandas will display all the first and last 5 rows in the data form frame is displayed. You can check or set these using pd.options.display.max-row. Pandas provides flexible options to work with various file formats including CSV and JSO, and JavaScript object narrations. Using reads JSON function in pandas, we can read JSON to load a JavaScript object narration into a pandas data form used to following code. Section 4. Understanding and analyze the data frame. After creating a loading of data frame, inscriptions and summarizing to data, the important step of understanding dataset. Pandas provide various functions to help to view and analyze the data. Head 1. View the first n row from the data frame. Tail. View the last n row of the data frame. Info. This method provides a consequence summary of the data frame, including the number of non-null entries, column name, and data types. Let's see example demonstrates the use of head, tail, and info method. Pandas offers vertically tools for viewing and inspiration data, enabling to quickly summarizing or diving deeper into specific data attribute. To explore more advanced functions in pandas, you can follow like below. View basic statically details. Get information about the data frame, data type, no, null, constant, etc. Check for missing data. Inspects the data frame shape. Check row with minimum and maximum value. Section 5. Index in pandas. Index in pandas refers to perform process to assessing and selection data form in pandas data frame or series. There are multiple ways to do this. We will cover how to basic index selection, specific column apply, and use Boolean index to filter data efficiency. We can also multiply columns by passing a list of common column name. For example, you can selecting both the name and age column by providing a list name age. When it comes to selecting rows, we can use select rows by label, meaning we refers to the row index or label directly. Alternatively, allows for posting based index where we select by the integer positions. Number 6 is selection and filtering data techniques to filter based on conditions. Are selecting and filtering the data after indexing in about narrowing down the data by applying conditions to selections. One of those rows or columns that meet certain criteria. In this example, we filter the rows where the age of column is greater than the 30. This is simply conditions that helps narrow down the data to only those rows that meet the condition. For more method refers to our page selecting rows for our data frame based on column value. You can also refer to following resources for advanced techniques and more condition in filtering and selection. Select rows with multiple filters in pandas, filtering by columns, filtering by based on a list of value, filter pandas data frame with multiple conditions. Guys, our lecture has been complete. Inshallah, we will meet you in the next video. If you have any question, ask me in my comment box channel. सो टेक केयर एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।